We as KMTC are very central in primary health care because we provide human resources that work at household level up to the highest level of care in this country. Right now, we are training over 100 nurses in specialized mental health care. We are also training over 50 clinical officers in psychiatric programs in mental health. We are also focusing on community promoters to enable this country have information to intervene where we have mental health care challenges and to reduce stigma that comes with mental health.
We want to strengthen in the integration of mental health into primary health care, which is one of the cardinal strategy for Kenya, and that's why we look at what KMTC and Africa CDC is doing together as part of this leadership program as transformational for mental health.
People must seek help when it is required. Do not stay with your problems thinking that they will fade away. Mental health is illness. It is a disease which must be treated in a facility and must be taken care of. In the social health insurance, we have a package for mental health, and just like any other screening services, and we are encouraging all Kenyans to come out and be ready to be taken care of.